Hello traders, welcome to this series of educational videos that FXCM has for you. My name is David Londonio, I'm a trader and a market analyst, and on today's video we have a question to be answered. So let's say that the price has a reaction in the monthly candlestick. I love this kind of videos because it's about technical analysis. So what do we analyze in lower time frames? What do we expect to see in the lower time frames? I have for you three different subjects. First of all, we have to look for confirmation in the lower time frames. For example, if you see a bullish reversal, that is what we're going to see on our example. A bullish reversal pattern on the monthly chart confirms that the shorter time frames are also showing signs of the upward movement. What will that be? Will be like a change on the structure, for example, on the lower time frame. So let's say, for example, the Euro USD, we had over here, we have a swing low that was taken. So after, let's say these 2 months hadn't happened yet. So we are looking about this sell side liquidity we had over there. So what we'll be expecting, we had a fair value gap formed just below it. So we were expecting, if the price will want it to go over there, we will expect a huge volume over here, right? Instead of that, what we saw on the lower time frames was that it was, here we have the weekly time frame. What happened was that liquidity was changed, and then the price formed a swing high, and it was taken almost immediately in the next few weeks. And the swing lows were started to be respected. So there we had a confirmation of the reversal, a change on the structure on the weekly time frame. And then what we had on the daily, well, we had more confirmation. At the beginning it was like a lateralizing the price, but then we had the confirmation on our gap. This is also like my personal way to or approach to the chart, but so this is not trend ideas, it's just the way I analyze the charts, right? So we had the confirmation on the gaps theory. We had first the breakaway gap, a gap that is not taken at all. Then we had the fair value gap over here. This is the daily chart again, that it is permitted to be fulfilled. And after that, we have the measuring gap, right? Again, the gap that it was not permitted to be taken. So we have our three gaps over here. We can do our measuring of the target we will have on the buy side liquidity. And why is that? Well, that's because of the trend analysis we also have to do on the market, because the assets that trend on lower time frames to understand the current market direction, right? So it's important to trade in the direction of the overall trend. And we were watching on the monthly that after 2022, and we had a lateralizing price this 2023. This is January over here. This is December where we are. So this is our entire year, 2023, lateralized. What happened? What was the same that happened on the lower time frame? Remember, this is always fractal. Then we had the gaps formation, and so we can say that we are attacking the buy side liquidity after the bottom we had in 2022, right? So now we have our measuring places, right? Our first targets, and then we have the other targets. We had this will be the buy side liquidity of 2023, which will be the first attack for 2024, the first quarter, I will say. So this is what we do, or what we analyze in lower time frames when we have monthly candlesticks reactions. And it goes, as I said before, this is fractal. So it goes, for example, if the weekly candlestick has a reaction, so what are we going to analyze on the daily and then the 4 hourly time frame? If the 4 hourly time frame has the candlesticks as a reaction, then what we're going to do on the 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minute time frame were exactly the same, but taking not the quarterly information, but the sessions informations, etc. So Well, as I always say, guys, this is the kind of videos I like to do. I love to do actually about technical analysis. Well, this is all for this one. I hope you like it. Don't forget to share and subscribe, and I will see you on the next trading session.